Hey, what's up, guys? This is Zach. This is the second video of my Upwork series. This is how you can make 1K on Upwork. It's actually pretty easy, surprisingly. It just takes some time, some resilience, and a lot of proposals. So let's get into it, and I'll share my screen and we'll go over some figures. Here's some basics for Upwork. First off, I'm doing SEO. I have a background in SEO, but I think anyone can do it. SEO is super easy. Just spend time learning it, making mistakes, and doing your own experiments. What they're paying for you on Upwork is your experience and your expertise with certain tools and doing things with those tools that these clients don't know how to do. So it's very easy to learn. The information is all out there for free. So I'd go with SEO if you're new to Upwork at all. All right, next thing is a profile, 2K earnings, which looks decent, but there's actually some expenses in Upwork, as you can imagine. So first off, there are fees. Whenever you get paid, they charge a percentage fee. On top of that, there's an item called connects. So connects offer you a way to bid higher on a certain job. So here's a job here, and say I want to apply to it. Down at the bottom right here, there's bids based on connects. So you generally want your proposal to show up in the first, second, or third place. A way to guarantee that is by bidding right here, however many you want to put, and then that'll show up higher. As far as the cost for connects, I think 100 currently costs like $15. So you go ahead, you buy those connects on Upwork, and you put them here so you show up, you know, in the first three when the person's looking at the proposal. So considering my total gains, it's a little over 2K, but also my losses between Upwork fees and connects is about $600. So I'm probably about $1,400, $1,600, net gain. So not bad, but just know there are some expenses. On top of that, you may be paying for things like ChatGPT subscription or SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. So there are expenses definitely, but the thing is that Upwork can scale very well. So I think it's worth it, in the beginning to spend that. So the next thing I wanted to show you is my stats page on Upwork to kind of give you an idea of what you can expect. We have earnings up here, and then profile views. And the main thing here I wanted to show you is proposals and what you could expect, as in how many jobs you propose or apply for and what you actually get hired for. So in the last 90 days, I sent 69 proposals out and I was hired for 9 of them. So it's not too bad. I would just be aware when you're going out and applying, you're looking at applying for quite a bit and only getting a handful. That's totally normal. But like I said again, it does scale. So if we look more recently in the past, say 7 days, 23 cent, 3 hires, it will scale more and more as you make more money and you continue to get more reviews. Some basic tips to make 1K in Upwork when you first start. The first thing is just simply faking it until you make it. I know it's cliche, but you're going to start with no money showed on Upwork. You're going to start with no reviews. Those aren't really good signs to potential hirers who are looking for work. So be ready to underbid on a lot of items. Be prepared to, have your time put in, the money you're making be very, very low. When I started, I was doing I was writing 2K posts for like $30, just to get some kind of money showed and hopefully get some reviews. So the goal in the first couple months is just to get reviews and don't worry about making money. You're going to get a loss maybe between Upwork fees and buying connects. So that's totally normal. On top of that, you're going to want to work on optimizing your profile. That means including a good picture, including a good bio, including a good portfolio. I'll get into that next. And then I think from beyond that, I'm going to go into how to get more jobs when you're new at Upwork as well, and tips that work for me. So beyond that, I hope you stick around. I hope this is helpful for people, and let's make some money, guys.